نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لقد كان لكم في رسول الله أسوة حسنة صدق الله العظيم. Honorable Chairman Sir, Secretary Sir, Principal Sir, respected teachers, honorable judges and my dear friends. First of all, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Yanur Rahman Sajid. I read in Taisir Jamaat at Moinul Quran Madrasa. Honorable judges, it is my great honor to speak on the blessed topic of Siratun Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam. But truly, how can anyone describe the entire life of our beloved Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam in just a few minutes? Today, I will share only one golden aspect, his exemplary leadership in Medina. Honorable guest, when the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam migrated to Medina, he found a society divided by tribes, conflicts and hatred. The Muhajirun from Makkah and the Ansar of Medina had differences. Yet the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam immediately united their hearts with love, brotherhood and justice. He established the Constitution of Medina, a historic charter ensuring rights for Muslims, Jews and other communities. It granted justice, peace and cooperation for all. The Quran commands such fairness. Surah An-Nisa, Ayat 58. Inna Allaha ya'murukum an tuwaddul amanati ila ahliha wa idha hakamtum bainan nasi an tahkumu bil adl. Indeed, Allah commands you to render trust to whom they are due, and when you judge between people to judge with justice. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam ruled with mercy, not with his power. He was a servant leader whose goal was justice, peace and the spread of Islam. Under his guidance, disputes ended, markets became fair, and the Muhajirun and Ansar became brothers in faith. His leadership teaches us many lessons. Here are three timeless lessons. Lesson 1. Justice is the foundation of leadership. Justice is the foundation of leadership. Leaders must be honest, kind and caring. Lesson 2. Unity through compassion. True leadership unites people even in diversity. Lesson 3. Service over authority. Leadership is a trust and a responsibility to serve, not dominate. Allah tells us in Surah Al-Anbiya, Ayat 73. وَجَعَلْنَاهُمْ أَئِمَّةً يَهْدُونَ بِأَمْرِنَا وَأَوْحَيْنَا إِلَيْهِمْ فِعْلَ الْخَيْرَاتِ وَإِقَامَ الصَّلَاةِ وَإِيتَاءَ الزَّكَاةِ وَكَانُوا لَنَا عَابِدِينَ. And we made them leaders, guiding by our command. And we inspired them to do good deeds, to establish prayer, to give zakah, and they were worshippers of us. Dear friends, the leadership of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in Medina was a perfect example of wisdom, mercy and justice. Today, as students, we can learn from him by being fair. In our dealings, helping others, and standing up for what is right. May Allah guide us to follow the noble example of our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in our words, actions, and leadership. Honorable guests and my dear friends, I am finishing my speech. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
আলহামদুলিল্লাহ, ইয়ানুর রহমান সাজিদকে অনেক ধন্যবাদ তার সুন্দর বক্তব্য প্রদান করার জন্য। রাসূলুল্লাহ সাল্লাল্লাহু আলাইহি ওয়াসাল্লামের মাদানী জীবনে তার লিডারশিপ, তার নেতৃত্বের গুণাবলী এবং বৈশিষ্ট্য নিয়ে সংক্ষিপ্ত বক্তব্য সে আমাদেরকে শুনিয়েছে।